Yes guys, I'm finally in the Philippines.
Everybody has his favorite destination, and for me it was always the Philippines. Working 6 years in Doha, having many Filipino friends, they put in my mind that Philippines is the most beautiful place in the world, that the people are the greatest, and so much fun.
Welcome to the Philippines.
One eternity later.
Yes guys, it's finally that night that we're gonna fly to the Philippines. We're waiting for this so long. This is in the plan last year, and I'm waiting for this last 2 months every day. So finally it's today. As you see, I'm in the Doha Airport. It's like full of people. It's so full of people that I don't know. New Year is gone, Christmas celebration is gone. There is so many people that I don't know what's going on. The Doha Airport is damn beautiful.
Let's enjoy in the Doha Airport and these few shots when I want to take a second and thank for all of you guys that you're watching my video, that you subscribe and follow my trip to the Manila. This trip is in the making the last 2 years, and I took the courage to quit my job, to take all my savings and to do what makes me happy. I hope you're gonna share this video and help me to continue to do my dream job. Thank you, thank you, thank you till the heavens, and see you soon.
So yeah guys, we're gonna try to find some exchange office because I want to change some money. So we'll have some Filipino peso when I come to the Philippines. I hope we're gonna find it in this line here. Let's hope we're gonna find some Filipino peso.
I can give you 9,600 and 18 Qatar Riyal I will give you back.
Oh.
Okay, because 200 peso I do not have change. Okay,
How much you gonna give me the Qatar Reals?
Qatar Riyal 18 Qatar Riyal, so that
Okay,
you can have
yeah.
a coffee or tea here.
Yeah, perfect. So guys, my gate is right there. We have 1 hour to boarding. I changed them. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I remember. It's 9,600 Filipino peso. I think will be good enough for the start to have for the taxi and till I settle in. And yeah, let's see. I'm not sure how to manage this, but let's see how the charge will be on the ATM for my Qatari card. But better that than just to bring a lot of cash with me. I don't feel like comfortable with that.
Ice mocha, sir.
That's cool.
Sir, any desserts, any sandwich you
No.
like that?
No,
It's fine, thank you.
yes.
28 Qatari Riyal for you, sir.
Thank you. Wow guys, I've been to this airport so many times, but I didn't see this part. This part is amazing. Look this, like park inside of the airport, and there is brand stores, Omega, Gucci, Louis Vuitton and others. Wow, wow, this part is really amazing. Damn. And we have Huracan. This Huracan STO, right? Damn. So yeah, as the Qataris, Qatar, they need to have the special place for the high brand stores in the center of the airport. But the nice thing is they have like full forest there to chill and to wait for your flight. But as we speak about flight, hours in just 30 minutes, so it's time to go to the gate. As you can see from here, there is some people there waiting for the getting in. Bye bye Doha, bye bye Doha, bye bye Doha. Welcome Philippines. See.
هذه الامتياز بساعة مجانية من واي فاي. يمكنكم التسجيلات مع هذه الرحلة والانضمام إلى هذه الامتياز. مسافرين على متن الدرجة السياحية يمكنكم الاطلاع على
So finally I find taxi. You know, I'm waiting 1 hour for the crab because I was thinking the crab is the way. But what's your name, boss?
Grab.
What's your name, boss?
I'm Roy, boss.
Roy, boss. So we go to
What the
we
street?
go to this Stanford Executive Residence Tower 1.
Wait a minute, boss.
Okay.
What's the name of the game?
Name of the game says
Stanford. What's that? University?
no,
Stanford.
this is
Condominium.
Yes, yes. It's Stanford Executive Residence Tower 1 Unit.
Stanford. Here. Hey.
Yes, yes.
What nationality, boss?
Serbia.
Serbia.
Serbia, do you know? Like
Jokic.
MVP, yes, Jokic.
The Joker, Jokic.
The MVP.
Serbia, huh?
Yes. And Bobby Marjanovic.
Marjanovic.
The
yes.
big one with the big ears.
Yes, boss.
With the big ears, yes. This is
You're tall person, Serbian.
yeah.
Very tall.
Yeah. Big and tall, yes. But you see, Jokic, he have passes and everything, right?
Yes, boss.
Not just size, he know how to play. So this is my first time in Philippines. First time in
Now, your first time?
Yes.
Vacation here or?
vacation.
Oh, okay. Why did you bring your wife or girlfriend?
No wife, no girlfriend.
So you will look for a wife and girlfriend here. Do you want Filipina?
Maybe, since, you know, I'm in Qatar, you know, so I'm familiar with Filipino
Oh, so
people. So
you're already acquainted with Filipinos.
yes, just to see the city and to see everything.
Oh,
That's tuk-tuk, right?
what tuk-tuk?
That's tuk-tuk? No, what's the name of
Jeep.
it? Jeepney. Yeah,
Jeepney, that one?
Yeah.
That's passenger jeepney.
Jeepney, yeah.
The common
Transportation, huh?
transportation here.
Okay, tomorrow I will try it. Manila looking nice, huh? This part?
Tomorrow, I think you will confuse here because this is a very traffic
Very traffic. Huh?
because tomorrow is Monday.
So everything.
All employee will go to their office.
Yeah, I will start to walk tomorrow, and then after maybe if I need, because I will be in the BGC, and in BGC you can walk till every.
Yeah, okay. Oh, yes.
Maybe 2 days. Then I will.
What's your plan? You going to
Islands?
beach?
Yeah, but maybe after 20 days. Not now. I want to see Manila.
Oh, you will roaming around Manila, huh?
Yeah.
So you will.
I like cities, I like to know the cities, There are many foreigners in Philippines. Do you drive
A lot, boss. A lot.
every day? You drive some foreigners?
A lot, boss.
Yes.
Particular in your area, BGC.
In the BGC, yes.
There's a lot of nationalities there. You can name it: Chinese, Korean,
Yes.
American.
We're gonna see tomorrow about this. Oh, it's
Sometimes
tough.
Russian there is.
Oh, Christmas police station.
Then we approaching the
This?
Philippine Army headquarters. The Army headquarters.
And these buildings further
Yeah.
away.
Yeah, that is BGC.
Red buildings, yeah. Cool.
Don't go to Tondo
No?
in Manila.
It's dangerous, huh?
Oh, you might be robbed there. Tondo, Manila.
Okay.
This is McKinley. Am I right, boss? Stanford.
Yeah, Stanford the residence. Yes, it's here. Yes, bros. How much?
It's up to you, boss. It's only 238, boss.
Only 230. So
It's Christmas.
make 500.
Okay, boss.
Okay, boss.
Thank you. I will
Boss.
give you your 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
That's 500, 100.
Okay, 100. Okay, I have
Thank you
now
very much.
100. Welcome, my boss. Welcome.
Is it a Stanford building, sir?
Yes.
This
is Tauron, right?
Yeah.
Like flat 7. Wait, I will tell you now details.
You
It's
know
like
the room number is?
it's
17R. Okay. Have you
Okay.
sit for a while, sir? I will check your record first.
okay, boss. So yes, guys, this is our residence for the first month in the Philippines. They're just checking my passport and the reservation, and I will go into the flat. The building looks amazing, and outside I saw there is I think it's Christmas market, and it smells very nice. So we're gonna try to get some street food. And just driving here from the airport, this area is so nice. The streets, the buildings, the up hills, up down, it's wow, it's vibe. It's so much vibey, And yeah, guys, I need to change my clothes because I will start to sweat in this leather. So yeah, in the Philippines you cannot wear these clothes. You need to be a bit more relaxed. My clothes. Thank you. Thank you so much. So it's number 17. Oh, it's almost on the full top. So I start to sweat a bit because I have leather boots. So yeah, we're gonna change in something more comfortable, and we're gonna go outside and see what's outside. But yeah, the vibe is. I started to be so happy that I'm here. What's the password? Okay. I will not tell you the password, guys, so you will not enter my flat. Lol. So yes, guys, I entered the flat. This is the bathroom. Nice. Exactly how needed. 1 mirror, leather clothes still. We have working desk. Probably here I will edit some videos. Nice, perfect enough space. Yeah, wait. Okay, can be pulled up a bit. So this is the kitchen. I can hit here, kitchen. Yeah, it's a bit spacious. Nice. I was expecting to be smaller on the picture. Nice, vibey, very vibey. And the bedroom it's nice, like good enough for one person. Let's check the view of the BGC Mega World. Yeah guys, so let me just change my clothes and we're gonna go outside and explore. So yeah guys, we changed to the sports clothes, so now I can walk a lot and sweat a lot and see what's around us. Actually I saw there is a Grand Venice Mall like just like 1 minute from here, so tomorrow we're gonna be there and we're gonna see the amazing Venice in the Philippines. But now let's just walk somewhere to eat something, street food. Wow, this place is so amazing, like how they made it. Like look, the up hills, the decoration on the trees. Wow, this, I can live in this area forever. This is, wow, this is so amazing. I went to the Venice Grand Mall, but it was late in the night, so you know, better to keep it tomorrow in the morning. And yeah, let's just walk to the high street. I think there is some clubs or bar or pub just to take some beer. I just want. So yeah guys, I'm in the front of SM. This is I think SM Mall and High Street, but across the High Street there is some houses in the corner. They look cool, but you know, but totally different comparing to this High Street. So we're gonna go uphill and to see what's going on there. So I think we cannot see in the dark, but there is so many small houses, like a ghetto across the big buildings, and there is down the court for volleyball and basketball. This is so cool. And across that street that we have like old houses, small houses with a field, we have like this building. I think this is the mall, I'm not sure, we're gonna check tomorrow. I think this is the Mega Mall. And then you have again small buildings and small shops and small narrow street, and it's so cool for look. Wow, what a contrast. So I just came upon this wide street on BGC, and it's really nice decorated, like look all the way down. So I came across the street, so this is the finance center, because in this street left, in the next street left, I saw one beautiful Christmas tree, so I want to record it and check it out. So yes guys, I just finished walking the full BGC. Like, I think I walk it all around and inside, and it's amazing. And if this is the best that Philippines can offer, congratulations. This is one of the most modern, the most beautiful city I ever saw. So I was in Doha, Belgrade, I was doing trip in Europe for 2 weeks, many cities, many countries. This is amazing. This is wow, 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 wow. Who will say? And I don't know if the people still saying that this is third world country. Like, look at these buildings. Like, you cannot see on the camera, but in person it's perfection. I'm not sure if the people saying that this is still third world country, but you made something great. You made something great. Wow, congratulations Philippines. BGC 10 out of 10. Wow, the first vlog, it's enough, but I just arrived and I can't wait to make new vlogs every day with better energy for you guys. See you tomorrow.